this is a continuation sa lesson na distance formula. So, if wala pa to nyo nakita na video, ang link is naalang sa description box. So, karon is mag-solve ta og 2 more sample problems involving distance formula. So, for the first problem, we have how far is the intersection of the lines 4x minus 5y is equal to 26 and 3x plus 7y plus 2 is equal to 0 from the origin. So, ana siya. Say, for example, morning origin mo, so 0, 0. Then, naado kay duha ka intersecting lines. Then, pila daw ang distance between the origin padulong dito sa intersection. Okay, so, ang dapat mahibal-an nato is, unsa ni siya na point. Kaning point na nag-intersect sila. Okay, so, masolve lang na siya gamit ang calculator. So, mod 5, 1 lang ta. So, input 4, negative 5, 26. Okay, for the second line, we have 3, 7y, so 7. Then, 2. Transpose pa ang 2 sa pika side, that's negative 2. Okay? Again ha, dapat ang 2 nakatranspose sa pika side kay mao ang format diri sa calculator. Ax plus by tas ang constant is nakatranspose sa pikas. Okay, nganong i-transpose kay ang general equation sa line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so gitranspose siya sa calculator sa pikas. Okay, take note lang ana ha para dili mamali. So again, iatong sabon. Okay, tara. So equal. So, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to negative 2. So, kanina point is, ano sa to? X, 4, negative 2. Okay. So, 4, negative 2. Okay. So, pwede na nato ma-apply ang distance formula between these 2 points. Tama? So, ang distance formula is d squared is equal to x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So, let's say, mao ni si point 2, mao ni si point 1. So, distance is equal to square root of 4 minus 0 squared plus negative 2 minus 0 squared. So, solving for that, you have distance is equal to 4.47. Okay, so last problem using distance formula. Okay, so determine the perimeter of the triangle whose vertices are 1, 5, 4, negative 1, and negative 3, 0. So, mao ni siya ang graph, naka-graph na daan. So, kabalutan na ang perimeter is simply, let's say, if this is, let's say this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay? So, we can say that perimeter is A plus B plus C. Tama? So, what is A? A is simply equal to, distance formula lang ta ani ha, from this point patulong that point. So, we have 1 plus 3 squared plus 5 squared. So, shift store A. Paki-store sa A. Then, what is B? What is B? Square root of 4 minus 1 squared plus negative 1 minus 5 squared. Paki-shift store sa B. Tapos letter C. You have square root of negative 3 minus 4 squared plus negative 1 squared. Paki-shift store sa D. Okay, so, calculate na to. You have square root of 4 squared plus 5 squared. Shift store A. Then square root of 3 squared plus negative 1 minus 5, so 6 squared. Shift store B. Square root of 7 squared plus 1 squared, 1. Shift store, C. So, ang perimeter is simply A plus B plus C. Answer is 20.18. So, the answer is 20.18. So, if na may questions, please leave a comment. And if nakatabang ni na video sa inyong review, please do like the video and subscribe to my channel. So, thank you for watching and God bless sa inyong review.